Okay, it's February 22nd, 2024. I'm here at the vessel Soros Cailen. I kind of want to show you your bottom paint because it's showing quite a bit of red. It's still doing a fine job, but you have two different colors. The black is the top, so I kind of want to show you what she's looking at. She's all cleaned up. Let's take a look. Shallow, kicking up some butts around Soros Cailen, but you know, you can see quite a few areas of the red. I think after this upcoming season, you'll definitely want to redo the top coat. Thank you for choosing DS Diving. Also, next time around, I'm going to bring some hull spray and make that white again.